Welcome to Vanindan Academy. You need to hear this if you're passionate about clean technology and empowering women. Today, I want to talk about an exciting initiative that's making waves in the clean tech world, CAPAWIC, or the Career Advancement Program for African Women in Clean Tech. First things first, what exactly is CAPAWIC? CAPAWIC is an incredible program aimed at advancing the careers of African women in the clean technology sector. It provides training, resources, and networking opportunities to help women break into and excel in this rapidly growing industry. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a story about breaking barriers and smashing glass ceilings? One of the standout features of CAPAWIC is their emphasis on youth involvement. Recently, they announced an upcoming webinar titled Youth for Climate Action: Insights from COP29. This webinar is designed to shed light on the outcomes expected from the COP29 summit in Baku, Azerbaijan, and how these can accelerate climate action. It's all about showcasing the crucial role of youth organizations and young leaders in driving sustainable change. You might be wondering, why focus so much on youth? Well, the youth are not just the leaders of tomorrow, they're the change makers of today. By highlighting youth-led climate initiatives, CAPAWIC aims to inspire and demonstrate the impactful actions being taken by younger generations. They're pushing the boundaries of climate action with innovative initiatives and advocacy efforts. And the best part, the webinar will feature some truly distinguished panelists. We're talking about Shamsuddin Haruna, Executive Director of Northern Recovery Project in Ghana, Yukari Ailika, founder of Transformers of Earth Development Foundation, and Ezra Harma, Head of Research and Development at Women's Development, an environmental organization. These are people with a wealth of experience and expertise in youth empowerment, climate action, and sustainable development. This webinar promises to be a goldmine of insights. It's not just about listening passively. Attendees will have the chance to engage directly with these panelists. Imagine being able to ask questions and gain a deeper understanding of the challenges and opportunities in youth climate action. It's interactive, it's engaging, and it's designed to empower the next generation of clean tech innovators. So, if you're interested in how CAPAWIC is transforming the clean tech landscape for African women, make sure to register for the upcoming webinar. You can find the link on their LinkedIn page or scan the QR code on the flyer. Trust me, you don't want to miss this chance to be part of a movement that's shaping a more sustainable future. Alright, that's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content on clean technology and sustainability. Until next time, keep pushing for change and making a difference. See you soon.